Hello class, this is a presentation titled Power BI Analytics Canyon Sales. Introduction and Project Overview. In this project, we started with the Canyon Sales Relation Database with one fact table and four related dimension tables. The two main purposes were loading this database to Power BI, creating understandable and interpretive visualization, and creating a calendar table using DAX to analyze time-based data even more. We analyze the two latest full years, which in the given case are 2023 and 2024. The choice in favor of Power BI was dictated by its excellent data, connectivity, and efficient modeling features, and can produce interactive visualization. 4 bar charts were delivered in this assignment, representing units sold after categorizing the data by different dimensions: product name, year, store region, and store region with product vendor. Moreover, it is decided to draw up the calendar table, which should offer columns with months, names, numbers, week numbers, weekday information, and workday flag. This improves flexibility in slicing the data. The last step was to analyze the results of these images to conclude on areas showing trends, patterns, and areas to improve. The project in the end serves the purpose of closing the gap between raw data and business decision making, and as such serves as a bright example of how one can utilize business intelligent tools and in the best interest. In this slide, we're going to talk about the data set structure. For fact table, you have sales records of products, stores, vendors, dates, and quantities. Dimensions tables, you have the date, calendar, product, store, and vendor. Relationship, each dimension to fact, one to many. The important measures to analyze is unit sold. Time-based reporting is supported to a high level using the calendar table. In this slide, it shows units sold by product names. Right here on your right, it shows the table, the total number of units sold of each product, the display of high selling products and low performance. And this gives an idea of the approaches in inventories and marketing. This shows units sold by year, comparison of annual sales of 2023 and 2024. This slide also indicates trends of growth and deterioration in performance, aids in reflecting the progress of the preceding year, determines potential seasonal impacts or abnormalities, provides long-term strategic planning. Here you can see units sold by store region name. The tables right here on the right hand side of the screen. It displays local performance of all outlets, shines a spotlight on areas of marketing potential, helps in making regional marketing campaign decisions. Units sold by store region and vendor names. On this slide, you can see the sale distribution of vendors by region, find good relationships between vendors and regions, justifies the negotiation tactics with the suppliers. In this table right here, you can see the different regions and vendors. This slide just shows the calendar table, and the calendar table allows for flexible analysis based on the date, and it shows that it covers the last 2 years. And the calendar table allows filtering, grouping, and seasonal trend analysis. Insights from data analysis. There's a great difference in product sales. Particular regions always stand out. The year-to-year trends indicate the possible area of growth. A weekly sales pattern of workdays and weekdays can play a part in staffing. In the slide right here, it shows different recommendations. I'm just going to go through one or two. You can read it right here by yourself. First one is target promotions to products that are underperforming. You can turn stocks according to seasonal and working periods, and you can keep monitoring data to achieve continuous improvements. There's a couple of examples of the benefits of Power BI for business intelligence. You have instant knowledge to make more rapid decisions, customizable and interactive visualization, increased cooperation with common reports. And this slide is my conclusion slide, and it shows a couple bullets of my presentation. It has been shown that the Power BI is of value in strategic planning. Advanced time intelligence is backed by a calendar table, and continuous testing leads to continuous enhancement, which is very important.